Well, hey guys, today I want to review Zarbee's cough medicine, also mucus, throat, and nasal. This stuff works really well. We've used it on our kids, and they have really used this, and it's really worked for them. And so we highly recommend it. I like it because it's dark honey and also ivy leaf extract, and it's really cool. It has this cool little top. You can see this measuring top, and then you just pour it in there, and you just drink that. It actually doesn't taste that bad. It tastes a little bit like honey and a little bit like cough syrup. So this has worked really well for us, safe and effective. This is different flavors, but overall kind of has a honey taste. Our kids like it. They'll drink it. Helps them, again, stop coughing. Helps them with their throat and every type of stuff like that. So this has been working really well for us, and highly recommend it.